Hey mama, welcome to Mum Day. My name is Ella Dove and you're joining me for a core and pelvic floor strengthening workout specifically designed for postpartum mums. If you like this workout, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to support me, to support more mums with this free content. We don't need any equipment for this workout, so once you've done your best to clear distractions, let's jump into it. Let's get started in a hands and knees position, wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Nice level pelvis and neutral spine here. Take a deep inhale to prepare. Exhale, thinking about lifting pelvic floor, wrapping that deep core as you extend your right arm and your left leg. Awesome job. And then we're going to inhale, tap, elbow to knee, and then exhale, extend. So making sure that we're not lifting up through the body into this banana shape, and we're thinking more about reaching the arm and leg. Good. Inhale, tap, exhale, extend. Notice if you've started to shift your weight back towards your heel, make sure that you keep your weight forward over that left hand, nose in line with fingertips. Good, really nice and stable through the back. Avoid shifting from side to side as you extend. Slow it down if you're rushing. We want to be really intentional with all of these exercises. Good, inhale, tap, maintaining that really strong core engagement so we're not sagging through the midline at all. Pull the ribs down, connected to the pelvis. Awesome job, mama. Last one here. Extend. Nice work. Place that hand down. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So inhale to prepare, exhale to gather in the core as you extend your left arm and your right leg. Awesome work. Think about elongating through the spine, reaching. Good. And then inhale, tap. So there's no need for the back foot to come any higher than the glute. I want you to think about pushing that back heel into the wall behind you.
See how we keep it steady. See how we keep it heavy. 1, 2, sip on the bevy. Go on, ready. Yeah, bubble and bounce.
Good. Notice if you're starting to sag through your midline. Really think about pulling up, activating that transverse abdominis. Awesome job, mama. Shift that weight forward. Last rep here. Exhale. Nice job. Okay, we're going to stay in this tabletop position. Now we're going to tuck our toes under. Take your inhale to prepare. Exhale. You're going to think about gathering in your core as you hover your knees an inch or two away from the floor. Awesome job. Hold this bear hold position. Keep exhaling. And then we're going to go for slow shoulder taps, tapping our shoulder with the opposite hand. Awesome job. Really thinking about zipping up from pubic bone to belly button, avoiding shifting through the hips at all as you pick up the hand. Awesome job. Keep breathing. You got it. Keep nose in line with fingertips the entire time. Nice and strong through the core. Good. Avoid shifting as you pick up the hand. Good. We're here for just 10 more seconds. You got it. Good. Keep breathing. Notice if you've shifted your weight back towards your heels. Can you pull forward? Awesome job. 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome work. Let's roll over onto our back now. We're going to go for a dead bug. So inhale to prepare. Exhale to zip pelvic floor, wrap in that deep core as you pick up your right leg, pick up your left leg, tabletop position. Good. Opposite hand and leg, we're going to extend down to the floor and then pull up. Option to straighten the leg or stay with that bent knee. Inhale and then exhale as you extend and tap. Notice if you're starting to flare your rib cage, really think about pulling the ribs in and down towards the pelvis. You're keeping that nice contact with the floor as you extend and pull back. Exhale. Good. Inhale here. Nice job, mama. We're here for just 10 more seconds. You got it.
Show me how you do it. Love the way you move it.
Good. Last rep.
Gotta get into it.
And release. Awesome work. Okay, We're gonna come into a side bridge position now. So elbow underneath the shoulder, top hip stacked over bottom hip, top knee stacked over bottom knee. Take your inhale here. Exhale, think about lift pelvic floor, wrapping that deep core as you press your bottom knee down into the ground. Option to lift that top leg as you press the hips through. Awesome job. Inhale, we lower down. Exhale, we press. Woo. Good. Inhale, lower. Exhale, drive it up. Good, really strong through that side body. So again, maintaining that rib stacked over pelvis. We're not sagging through the midline here. We're really strong. Inhale, lower. Good, exhale, press. You got it. Straight line through the body, shoulders, rib cage, hips and knees. Good, last one here. Good, and lower down. Okay, we're gonna come into that dead bug position again. So that tabletop, inhale to prepare. Exhale, zip up from pubic bone to belly button. Gather in that deep core, tabletop position. Extend the arms. Here we go, round two. Good job, mama. Exhale. Notice if you're starting to flare your ribs, really think about connecting the ribs down towards the pelvis. Good job, you got it. Last 10 seconds, good, keep breathing. Good, 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome work. Okay, you're gonna join me on your other side for that side plank with the leg raise. So checking your alignment before you begin. Inhale here, exhale. Gather in that deep core, press that bottom knee down through the ground to extend those hips. Awesome job. So it's kind of like a side bridge, a glute bridge, but we're laying on our side here. Exhale, press the hips through. Good job. Slow on the way down. Exhale, press. Again, keeping those ribs down as you press. Good. Lowering with control. Good. You should feel the hip muscles on the outside of the hips starting to light up. Awesome job. Last one. And lower down. Meet me on your back for a glute bridge position. So feet underneath those hips. We're gonna take our inhale, exhale, gather in that deep core as you press your feet down through the floor to lift the hips. Feel the glutes turn on. And then from here, we're gonna go for marchers, single leg. Keeping those hips lifted as you pick up one foot and then carefully placing it back down. Our glutes are our overflow muscles to the pelvic floor. So strengthening the glutes can help with that pelvic floor contraction. Make sure that you're keeping the ribs down as you march. Press the feet down through the ground to keep those hips lifted. Good, keep breathing nice and slow and controlled here. Making sure that we're not dropping the pelvis as we pick up one foot. Good job, 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1, lower down. Okay, meet me in that bear hold position. So wrists underneath the shoulders, knees underneath those hips, tuck the toes. We're gonna exhale to engage that core and hover the knees. From here, you're gonna pick up your right leg and extend it back. Go back to that bear hold position. Keep breathing, extend it back with your exhale. Awesome work, mama. Really still and stable through the core. Keep hugging in that transverse abdominis. Good, 2 hip bones hug in towards each other, zipping up, pubic bone to belly button. Good, with intention, with every rep. Extend that leg back, awesome job. Keep those hips nice and low, neutral spine here. Good job, 10 seconds, you got it. Good, hugging in that core. 3, 2, 1, lower down. Okay, we're gonna come into a reverse plank position now. So fingertips are gonna face towards your heels. You're gonna take your inhale here, exhale, gather in that core as you press your feet down through the ground to lift those hips. Awesome job, keep pressing the hips through. Option to hold here, we're here for 30 seconds, or you can join me for these marchers. Good. Drawing one knee in and then extend back. Keep pressing the heels into the ground. This is a great posterior chain strengthening exercise. Strengthening the back side of your body. Good. Keep pressing up. Keep breathing. Body should be shaking. Good. We're here for just 10 more seconds, mama. You got it. Keep pressing those hips up towards the ceiling. Good, 3, 2, 1, lower down. Awesome job. Okay, roll over. You're gonna meet me in a plank position. So inhale to prepare, exhale to find your pelvic brace, and then you're gonna step back, left foot, step back, right foot, high plank position. Awesome job. Keep breathing, keep hugging in that core. Option to stay here, or you can join me for those marches. Awesome job. Good, keep breathing. This feels too much, you're gonna come to that elevated surface. Good job, mama, keep breathing. Woo. Really, really strong through the core. Nice straight line through the body. Good, keep hugging in that transverse abdominis, that deep corset muscle. And keep breathing, press the ground away from you. Good, really strong through the body. We're here for 6 more seconds. You got it. Good, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and lower down. Awesome job, mama. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that slightly more advanced core workout, and I hope to see you again in our next one. Bye, mama. If you enjoyed that video, make sure you check out the Mum Day app where I have tons more pregnancy, labor prep, and postpartum recovery workout videos. It's all free to try for 7 days. I would love to move with you over there, so I'll leave the link down below.